So, good day. My name is Bonde Monton, a BS IT student at the Oriental State University. Today, i-discuss na ako unsa ning buffer reader o writer sa Java. So, kaning duha is ang buffer reader o ang buffer writer sa Java is mga classes for handling character input and output with efficiency, leveraging buffering to enhance performance. So let's start. First of all, unsa ning buffer reader? Kaning buffer reader is wraps around another with a reader like file reader and input stream reader and so on. Kaning buffer reader is use an internal buffer to store data read from the underlying stream. When a read operation is performed, buffer reader reads a large chunk of data into the buffer at once, reducing the number of actual I/O. So, ang constructor aning buffer reader is buffer reader and then close and open parenthesis, ang sulod ato is reader in. And at the same time is kaning buffer reader and then open and close parenthesis, the reader in and int size. So, ang key method aning buffer reader is read and then open and close parenthesis. So, ang read is read and a single character letter unya kuan masabtan pa nato na kay code man ako. And also read and then open and close parenthesis, ang sulod ana char array cbuf and then int of, lastly the int len. So kato is purpose ato is read a character into a portion of an array. Next is the read line and then open close parenthesis. Purpose ato is to read a line of a text. Next is ready and open and close parenthesis. Kani is to check if the stream is ready to be read. And kani lastly, kani most important sa buffer reader is the close and open parenthesis. Kaning close is closes the stream and release any system resources associated with it. So I have an example para masabtan pa nato ang buffer reader unsay kuan ani. So una ani para mahibaw nato unsay kuan mag-import tag java.io import nakaka-stop import java.io that buffer kani diri is pwede nato daghan makakuha na ni diri kaning daghan mapagpilian. It's because kaning java.io it is a package na sa, for example, ganing buffer writer, buffered input stream, buffered output, kanin sila tanan is muna siya ang package sa java.io. So ang ato lang is ang buffered reader. And then ang kalinto nato is import java.io Yan. So next is naka-import na tagkuan kaning buffer reader. So dirita sa ang pangalan sa class day nato is kani dev test file handling. So dirita sulod sa main method nato, which is magbuhat tag. Very common sa kuan, dapat magbuhat tag try, and then open and close parenthesis the buffered reader and then let's say test buffered reader, which is the BR equals to new buffered reader, then open and close parenthesis, sulod is new file reader, and then the open and close parenthesis. So kani is the location sa file na to, which is makita sa location file path di ay sorry kani dapat ibutang nato ang location sa file nato para katong file i-read niya sa sulod sa file. For example, naka-create na ko file diri kani, and then i-copy lang nato ang path niya, which is kani. The file name is dev, and let's paste it. Ay, mali. Let's input the file name, the dev.txt. So kani siya is mo ni atong file mo, kani siya dev.txt. Later on mag-write ta dira. As you can see here, dire is empty pa ang sulod sa file nato, and magbuhat taon niya. Explain na ko ang buffer reader, explain na ko ang buffer writer para karon i-comp lang nato aning buffer reader para so let's continue. And after sa next is the curly braces of course pag na-try dapat na siya i-catch, buta na ta daan catch and then so let's next pagbutang sa file path nato, we should have the string and then line ikuan, and then next is is the while loop. Later on pagkatapos na to i-discuss na to say purpose aning while loop. While, then open and close parenthesis, then let's say line is equals to buffer reader br dot read line, and then line, and then the opening close parenthesis, and then the semicolon. And then next is the print sa line, the system dot out dot print a new line, and then the line. Tama ba? Ay, dapat pa gamit small. And then lastly, the semicolon. So, I forgot the kulang pa pala ning
wala effect ko na yung blue na.
That's why pala. So, the kulang aning while na to is not equal to, and then null should be the curly braces outside the system that print, and then the kana and then ganing sulod sa catch is the exception. If kung naaman error mo occur, i-catch niya and then i-print tong mga error, which is the opening close parenthesis, the IO exception, and then E, and then kato ay exception E, IO exception E, and then E dot print stock trace open close parenthesis, and then the
release my body. I said release.
So here are the example code of the buffer reader. So next is magbuhat tag buffer writer in order para mag-work ning buffer reader para ma-read niya sa sulod sa file kani diri maya magbutang tag text ani using a buffer writer. So let's go to the next. So the buffer writer is the internal working ani kaning the buffer writer, which means wraps around another writer like file writer, output stream writer, and so on. So kaning uses aning buffer writer is use an internal buffer to accumulate data before writing it to the underlying stream in larger chunk of and then this reduce the number of write operation. So ang constructor ani is buffer writer, then write out, and then buffer writer write out, and then int size. So ang K method aning buffer writer is the write, and then open and close parenthesis the int C, and then write the char, and so on, and then new line flash, and lastly the close. Purpose aning close is closes the stream and release any system resources associated with it. So I have an example sa buffer writer para later on para mag-work, para mo functioning buffer reader na gibuhat na to. So ang una is simply write import an buffer writer, the IO package buffer wait lang, import java.io that buffered writer that next is import java that io that and then the semicolon. So next is the class, the same class nga punta, div file. The class na to is div file handling test. So let's make magsulat ta sa sulod sa main method natin nato, which is the try catch again. Try close parenthesis. Let's enter na to catch sunod is the IO exception E. So later yan na nato na ikuan. So let's try the buffered writer constructor na to mo ni siya, the bw equals to new buffered writer, then open close parenthesis the new file writer, and then the opening close parenthesis, and then kani nga part is the file path sa atong sulatan sa diri ta magsulat, and then diri nato ibutang ang path sa file nato para later on ikuan. So diri nakabot naman ko daan og file kani. Let's copy compiler, so paste. So the file name nato is dave.txt. So next is the kani siya is diri na ta mag-write, which is the method of bw buffer writer bw dot man siya. As you can see, dagan may makitaan ni append and so on. Ang task nato is magkuan man write sa sulod sa file sa kaninga ni file name dave.txt. So bw write and then open and close parenthesis, yun. And let's say hello my name is Bonnie Monton, and Java is fun to learn. So kani nga gi-input nato na message is gusto nato ni ibutang sa file, which is kani nga file dave.txt, and then later on ituan pa nato. So kani ang finish code sa Java buffered writer, I think. Yes. Kani. So if parano na to, makita nato dapat ning text na hello, my name is Bonnie Monton and Java is fun to learn, and then kaning hi Bundev, you are right, Java is indeed fun to learn. So parano na to, and then yes, and it says tapos na. So kung mo ta sa file na to, location sa file na to is Dave. So mo nin the file, so nag-work atong code. Nakita na ang hello, my name is Bonnie Monton and Java is fun to learn, and then hi Bondev, you are right, Java is indeed fun to learn. So now purpose sa buffered reader is siya ang responsible sa pag-read sa isa ka file, which is kaning file.txt, kaning dave.txt. So kaning buffered reader is siyang responsible again sa pag-read sa isa ka file, which is kaning naka-indicate sa file path kaning dave.txt. So if paran nato na mag-print dapat siya sa console katong labas katong nalabas nakakuang ganiya nakasulod sa file nato kaning which is kaning hello, my name is Bonnie Monton. So i-read sa buffer reader and then i-print niya sa console kani diri. And then now iparahan na to. So mao ni siya ang buffer reader. Na-read na niya ang sulod sa file na to, which is kani dave.txt. So nag-work atong one example. So if ever dugangan pa nato ang diri sa file writer, you can see we can add numerous of text ani basta na lang naka-indicate lang ang method na bw.write, which is bw.write write, then open and close parenthesis, quotation mark, and then let's say can I make wait, can I join you? Can I join you too? Because it seems you guys having fun doing a program. So kani ifarahan nato siya, mag-add siya text ani kaning can I join you too, because it seems you guys having a fun doing a program, the cardinal brace the quotation. Now if parano na to, makita nato niya siya sa file, ma-add niya siya. See, it says and then tanaw nato sa file is I know nakita na there's no next line pala, sorry. So mag-add ta diri sa new line bw dot new line, para ang purpose aning new line is para dili siya mag-continuous sa text na kuha nato, para maglaktaw-laktaw po new line and then so para na nato balik. So as you can see here is nana siya sa baba. Can I join you too? So again, moadto ta sa buffer reader na pod, and then i-read niya tong gi-input nato ganihan na text sa isa ka file kaning div.txt. So mao ni ang console, nabasa na niya ang text sa sulod sa file nato atong div.txt. So that's all for the discussion about the buffer reader o buffer writer, and bye bye, thank you.